Arpita Patel from MSc IT background joined STAD Solution to make a career in the software testing field. Let's hear from her.
Hello everyone, my name is Patel Arpita Ganpatbhai from Kolor. I completed my MSc IT from 𝚃𝐴 University in 2017. I completed my software testing training from STAD Solution. During my software testing training, I learned many things such as FRD, BRD, bug metrics, and test scenarios, so on. And also I learned automation testing. I learned many automation tools such as Jira, Postman, and Java, and Maven, so on. Heartily thankful to Recruitment and Ajay sir for making my career better. I highly recommend STAD Solution for software testing training.